When applying TruWood or other siding products, we recommend TruWood trim for all your trim installations. Also manufactured by Collins Products, TruWood trim is available in both 4-quarter and 5-quarter nominal thicknesses in uniform 16-foot lengths and all of the popular trim widths. With a wood grain texture to match TruWood's old mill pattern on one side and a smooth face on the other, TruWood reversible trim is an excellent choice to add flexibility and quality to your building needs. It is easy to apply with normal wood framing tools, and waste is minimized as we have eliminated the splitting, checking, cupping, and natural defects found in solid wood trim products. TruWood trim is backed by a 30-year transferable warranty. See the installation instructions for more information.